Welcome to this Java tutorial by Johnson Mercy. I hope you'll enjoy it. What up guys, what's happening? It's Johnson Mercy and welcome to my 8th Java tutorial on Java database connectivity. Now in the last tutorial we successfully inserted values into our database, but one thing we forgot to validate the fields before inserting, which is very wrong. But then I said it was never too late because I can really fix that. So we are supposed to validate to say if nothing is there, maybe throw a message to the user to say no, you're not supposed to insert something there. So what you need to do now is to fix that. So we'll have to say if, remember, the validation method is inside the utility class. So if utility dot validate, okay, now I will check out the way I arranged it in the class here. So the first name comes first, order name comes second, DOB, then label that has the image, and then the label name and the parent frame. Is that right? Now the first name comes first, and here the first name here represents the first name. So it's not even the string variables, is the JText fields. Okay, here I'll say the first name field, then order name field, and this field, remember, is the date of birth field. Okay, now this is the label that holds the image, then this is the label that holds the name of the image. Now we'll take all of this into the if else, because in certain things into the database, in certain record into the database will depend on this. That is, whenever the fields has been filled, alright, whenever the fields are not empty, that is when it can actually insert something. So let's check this out, see what really happens. Alright, I will mistakenly click submit. It says here, please provide your first name. Very bad. Even if we provide the first name, we'll click again. It says provide other first name. We're supposed to say other names here, but not bad. Okay, provide other names. I click on submit. It says no, you must provide date of birth. So I do that, feeling that I'm okay. Now let me submit. Still says provide, please select the passport photograph. Okay, so just go ahead and browse for a passport. Oh, what a beautiful lady. Just joking. Is that right? Then I'm done here. If I click on submit, then that is when it will actually insert the record into my database, because here I'm done with the validation. Is that right? Now let's check out this. Whenever I launch my program, it is supposed to come up with the employee IDs here. So let me take care of that. To just take us minutes to do that. Remember when I said these kind of things are supposed to be done inside of the init method. Alright, so we'll print stock trades. So remember in my utility database class, I have result set here that returns result set from my database. So I will use it to populate the combo with the employee ID. Now this is how it can be done. So I will receive the result set object that the database get result method is returning. Okay, it returns it, then I'll get ready to check. Remember, the reason why I'm using this while loop is that the result set that I'm expecting is I'm expecting a whole result set, because I said select all, so it will get the whole rows in my database. So if I use if to check, the if will check, but it will just happen only once, so it will just get a row. But here I need the whole row, that is the whole employee ID. So keep on looping through the rows and get the employee IDs and populate my combo. So I'll say while set dot next, that is why this dot has more things inside of it. I think the name of that combo is emp id combo dot add items. Okay, set dot get string. So I can remember my emp IDs is in the fourth column. 1, 2, 3, 4th column. So get string, that is in the fourth column. When you get it, then I'm good to go. So let me run this program to see how the thing goes. Is that right? So let me check here. Oh, I have one here. I think I inserted something without clicking. Okay, I can see this is it. So if I happen to insert more things, okay, let me insert one. Date of birth. Okay. If I submit, though I had in mind that whenever I submit, the pin will come up here immediately, but I'll do that in the next tutorial. Let's check here. See that I've got another one here. So when I launch my program again, of course it will get the whole of it by default. Okay, in case we would use it, in case we want to use it in the future. Okay, so this is the end of this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'll take care of this. Whenever we insert, it should generate the pin and add it here. That it will keep on updating live, not as if we'll kill the program and run the program again to see the pin. No, it will update it immediately we have submitted into our database and more things. So see you in the next